Welcome back to QRepubliC. Today is August 3, 2021, Tuesday. Our news highlights for today: stock futures rise slightly after a losing day. Stock futures rose slightly in overnight trading on Monday after worries about slowing growth sparked a sell-off on Wall Street. The spread of the Delta coronavirus variant continued to keep investors on edge. The 7-day average of daily coronavirus cases in the United States reached 72,790 on Friday, surpassing the peak seen last summer when the nation didn't have an authorized COVID-19 vaccine, according to data compiled by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. The concern about slowing growth triggered a drop in Treasury yields on Monday. Monday's slide in bond yields followed data showing the U.S. manufacturing sector expanded at a slower pace than a month ago. Investors are closely monitoring progress in Washington as lawmakers move toward a bipartisan infrastructure bill that would devote $550 billion to U.S. infrastructure. In other news, index recoups losses ahead of ECQ revert. The stock market opened the week on a highly positive note yesterday as investors already priced in the negative impact of the new round of stricter quarantine measures to start later this week. Net foreign buying persisted with 135 million pesos, while value turnover was muted with 3.3 billion pesos. Call Financial said the PSEI's recent oversold levels may allow for some rally time. Overall, the PSEI is on the recovery path despite some delays. For our international headlines, Chinese online gaming stocks tumble after state media takes aim at industry. Asia stocks slip. Japan will only hospitalize most serious COVID cases as infections surge. Another shipping crisis strikes, threatening delays to Black Friday shopping. For our local headlines, ABS-CBN Green Energy execute share purchase agreement. BDO profit surges to 21.45 billion pesos in first half, and JFC to open 2 new stores in the United States. For our PSEI today, we close at 6,560.06. We have somehow regained our momentum as we are now trading above moving average 9. For our net foreign indicator, 2 trading days na rin po tayo merong support of at least 100 million pesos. And now upon re-evaluation, yung support po natin is at 6,470 area and resistance is at 6,780 area. And if we are going to look at it, yung closing price natin ngayon ay malapit lang sa ating key support area. So if we are a positioning trader or investor, depending sa ating trading plan and due diligence sa ating monitored stocks, may sense naman if bibili tayo ng shares sa current level ng ating PSEI kasi nasa key support naman tayo. Pero syempre, kailangan pa rin nating maghinay-hinay. Kahapon, sabi ng ating mga analyst, there is a good chance na bumaba tayo sa ating 6,100 area. And if that is the analysis that we are going to look at, we may experience a good or a strong block or resistance at least dito sa may 6,700 dito sa ating moving averages hanggang 6,780 area. So 6,700 to 6,780 area yung in-expect natin na possible resistance natin. Then possible natin i-break down ulit itong 6,400 area anytime soon heading towards sa 6,100 area kasi ito yung pinoproject ng ating mga analyst. So isa po yan sa kailangan nating i-take in consideration. So siguro i-limit natin yung pagbili ng shares until 6,500 area. And then kapag umangat na yung price natin sa 6,600 area, we have to stop accumulating shares then we may take some profit once we reach the 6,700 area. Then salo na lang ulit tayo. Again, depending sa ating trading plan or plan, either sa 6,400 area kukuha ulit tayo ng shares or maghihintay tayo hanggang 6,100 area. So we have to watch out sa may 6,700 area again kasi there's a big chance na ma-block tayo dyan, and in other perspective, pwede rin siya maging exit point sa mga naipit sa mataas na area. Green energy close to the 2.60. Kagaya ng ating PSEI, na-regain din po natin yung kanyang momentum as we are now trading above moving average 9. Pero kagaya rin po ni PSEI, yung moving average 9 natin is naka-cross down pa rin sa ibang moving averages. So generally, weak pa rin yung ating momentum. So since mahina pa rin yung ating momentum, there is a big chance na ma-reject tayo 2.80 area. So magandang mag-profit taking dyan, especially if nakasalo tayo during the consolidation at 2.30 area. Then we will see if we will continue to hold on at 2.44 area or bababa pa tayo at 2.10. Pero in either case, depending on our trading plan, pwede naman tayo bumili ng shares, pero syempre limited muna sa 2.44 as we are testing the water kung magiging strong support na ba yan, para if ever man meron pa tayong pang average down sa may 2.10 area. So check niyo po maigi yung magiging options natin for green energy. Merrimart close to the 3.26. Kagaya rin po ng PSEI, na-regain din po ng Merrimart yung kanyang momentum as it is now trading above moving average 9. Same speculation po tayo kay green energy. Yung momentum natin dito kay Merrimart is still weak as the moving average 9 is still crossed down to the other moving averages. So we are also looking for a possible bounce play, and for Merrimart, the least na pwede niyang itaas is sa 3.60 dito po banda sa may moving average 20 up to 3.90 area sa may moving average 50 naman natin. Then expect na mabablock tayo dyan and bababa ulit tayo sa 3.30, and from there we have to re-evaluate if magiging strong na ba siya or bababa pa tayo at 2.90 area. So depending on our trading plan, we may take some profit at 3.60 at least hanggang 3.90 area yung tinitingnan natin, and those can be an exit point as well sa mga naipit sa mataas na area. So check nyo po maigi magiging options natin for Merrimart. PHA closed at 1.03. Kay PHA naman, nagkaroon lang tayo ng slight bounce today at hindi natin na-break yung kanyang moving average 9. So weak momentum siya in totality and low volume pa rin. However, we may see a continuation of green candlestick o yung pagtaas ng price natin up to 1.12. Yan yung pwede nating ma-speculate kasi malakas pa rin yung ating resistance at moving average 9. So baka hanggang dyan lang yung kaya nating itaas. So if ever nakapulot tayo on its low today or yesterday sa may 0.90 area, we may take some profit tomorrow as there is still a big chance na temporary bounce lang yung nangyari kay PHA today. Then we will re-evaluate again yung 0.90 kung magko-consolidate na ba tayo dyan or bababa pa tayo sa 0.70 area. So check nyo po maigi magiging options natin for PHA. DDMPR closed today at 1.77. Same with the technicals ni PHA. Weak momentum and low volume po tayo sa kanya. Nagkaroon tayo ng green candlestick today, pero needle type siya, and nakikita natin na malakas yung kanyang resistance at 1.80 area. So dyan tayo may high as of today, and yesterday dyan tayo nako-compress pababa. We are looking for downward movement pa rin. So ang key support na tinitingnan natin dito is at 1.70. So yan po yung area kung saan tayo pwedeng mag-accumulate ng shares. Again, generally weak momentum po tayo sa kanya, so more on positioning and patience po yung need natin. We cannot expect na magkakaroon tayo kagad ng magandang galaw. Check nyo po maigi yung magiging options natin for DDMPR. Apollo Global closed at 0.1150. Weak momentum and low volume pa rin po tayo sa kanya. However, in current time, meron po tayong nakikitang consolidation, which is in the other perspective is magandang sign kasi nababawasan po yung ating selling pressure. Currently, nasa resistance level din tayo. So sa ganitong situation, na mahina yung kanyang momentum, iwasan po muna natin yung pagbili sa resistance level as the chance na bumaba yung price niya is malaki. So 0.1020 area po yung nakikita natin kung saan magandang bumili or mag-accumulate ng shares. Pero we still need to monitor kung magiging matibay na itong 0.1020 bago tayo bumili ng maraming shares. And then if it will not work, itong 0.1020 area, we have to average down at 0.08 area. Like DDMPR, generally weak momentum po tayo kay Apollo Global. So more on positioning and patience po yung need natin, and we cannot expect na magkakaroon kaagad tayo ng magandang galaw. So check niyo po maigi magiging options natin for Apollo Global. JFC closed at 195.90. Kay JFC naman po may kita natin na kahit papano is may momentum siya as we are trading between the moving averages. And just like PSEI, nagtitrade din po tayo today above moving average 9. So mas nadagdagan pa po yung momentum niya as of the moment. On this instance, hindi super weak yung momentum niya as yung moving average 9 natin is hindi pa nag-cross down sa moving average 100 and moving average 200. So if ever, pwede naman tayo mag-accumulate ng shares on its current level since malapit siya sa ating key support at 193 peso area. And nakita rin natin sa headlines kanina na itong si GFC will open 2 more stores in US. So tuloy-tuloy po yung pag-expand ni JFC. So meaning tuloy-tuloy po yung kanyang business, which is maganda for its fundamental side. So check nyo po maigi magiging options natin for JFC. BDO closed at 111. Kung titingnan po natin si BDO sa kanyang big picture, meron po tayong nakikitang consolidation sa kanya in between 100 to 120 peso area. Moving averages will also say na nag-consolidate tayo as the candlesticks are trading in between the moving averages, which is good kasi nababawasan or wala tayong makitang selling pressure sa kanya. Ang key support natin as of the moment is at 110. So malapit naman po dyan yung ating closing price today. So maganda naman po mag-accumulate ng shares dyan. Pero bear in mind that BDO is one of the blue chips plus currently consolidating. So mabagal lang po yung galaw niya. More on investing yung pwede natin gawin sa kanya. Yung tipong kinsenas or katapusan or kada sweldo natin is bibili tayo ng shares sa kanya. Provided na nasa key support tayo bibili para maganda yung investment natin sa kanya. Nakita rin natin sa headlines na maganda yung kanyang income during the first half of the year considering na may pandemic. So pinapakita ng firm that they can survive this current crisis. So maganda naman mag-invest kay BDO. So check nyo po maigi yung magiging options natin for BDO. Update lang po tayo sa mga previous stocks na nireview po natin sa mga nakalipas na araw. First po kay WLCON. Uptrend channel is still intact and malakas pa rin yung resistance natin at 22.50 area. So dyan po tayo somehow nagko-consolidate or yung mga high natin for the past few days and today. And bumababa rin po yung ating volume. So nababawasan tayo ng volume. So iwas pa rin po tayo sa pagbili at 22.50 peso area. Maganda pa rin yung momentum niya. So sa malapit sa moving average 9 yung ideal ng pagbili just in case nag-accumulate tayo kasi maganda naman siyang sabayan since may momentum siya. So dito po yan around 22 flat area. Generally, we may hold our position dito kay WLCON. Yung next naman po natin si Globe Telecom. Intact pa rin po yung second Darvas box pero very bearish po yung ginawa nating candlestick today. Although nasa 1,875 or key support tayo, iwas muna tayo dyan sa pagbili especially if nakabili na tayo sa current range niya. Then, abang na lang tayo at 1,795 pag na-breakdown niya yung current key support natin. So, generally, for investor mode po itong si Globe Telecom. Kay HLCM naman, though maganda yung income niya for Q2, technical wise, weak momentum tayo as we are below the moving average 200 and low volume din po tayo sa kanya. Currently, nagre-resist tayo immediately dito sa moving average 9. There's a good chance na bumaba pa tayo at 6 peso level, pero nagko-consolidate naman na tayo sa kanya. So when it comes to selling pressure, medyo nababawasan naman yun. Pero yun nga lang, meron pa rin chance na mag-consolidate tayo with the low na 6 peso area. Kay Converge naman po, intact pa rin yung ating uptrend channel and we are trading above moving average 9 ulit. So good to use na ulit itong ating uptrend channel as a guide. We can accumulate shares while we are near dito sa ating moving average 9 and nasa below midline pa ng ating uptrend channel.
And that's it for today. Kung nagustuhan niyo po itong video na ito, please don't forget to like it and share it as well para mapagbigay insights din po tayo sa iba. And also, kung meron po kayong additional information or thoughts dito sa review na to, comment nyo lang po yan para makatulong din po or makapagbigay information din po tayo sa iba. At sa inyo po na gustong magpa-review ng kanilang mga stocks, comment nyo lang din po yan para maisama po natin sa ating next session. And sa mga bago po nanonood ng video na ito, don't forget to subscribe para lagi po kayo maging updated sa mga bagong videos na nilalabas po natin. Maraming salamat po. I'll see you soon. QRepubliC.